Hi, I'm Jeffrey Kirk. Recently, a client asked me a question about Google Analytics. He said, I know that the business owner has Google Analytics for our website, but does that mean that I cannot track the analytics from my Google account? You see, the owner of this business delegated the responsibility for monitoring analytics to someone else, but he did not give the employee his Google Analytics username and password. The employee wanted to know the best way to proceed under these conditions. Well, first, let me say that this is actually the proper condition. If you have someone's Google account, you can potentially access any number of their Google applications. As the owner of a business, I do not like to give my username and password to anyone. And I want to be able to look at analytics anytime I want to, but that doesn't mean that I want to be in charge of analytics day after day. Fortunately, Google knows this is the case. They have set up analytics so that the administrator of an account can give access to other users. That means that every employee can have their own Google account. The administrator, whether another employee or the business owner, can assign any other user to have access to view the data. This is quite convenient, especially if employees change. A new employee can be given access at any time. A previous employee can easily be removed. And all this can happen without the administrator fearing that his or her password will fall into the wrong hands. Now, I will take a minute to show you exactly how to set this up. Let's go to my computer. Okay, I'm going to start out by going to analytics.google.com. Now, this might take you directly to your analytics page, but if you're not logged into your Google account, you'll see a page like this one. If so, enter your email address and continue on through the login process. Otherwise, if you don't have a Google account, you can always click down here and create a new account. But I will log in. Since I have access to many analytics accounts, I will choose the one that I want to work with. The others are faded out for privacy reasons. So now I will click on Dominate the Top. This brings me to the familiar analytics page. This is probably what you're used to seeing for analytics. From here, the process is really simple. Go up to the top and click on the Admin menu item. Now, if you're assigning access to someone who you want to manage your analytics, then you click on User Management in the third column, this column, the View column. You'll see a box that says Add Permissions For, and the person's registered Google email address goes in this box. To demonstrate, I will use datatoolsmanager@gmail.com. Then the drop-down button to the right allows you to choose what level of access the person should have. The minimal is Read and Analyze. This just means that the user will be able to see report data. The next step up is Collaborate. This means the user can collaborate on shared assets. For example, they can edit a dashboard that others use. Edit means the user can do everything except manage users. Edit is a handy level to give if you want someone to be able to create filters or perform other administrative tasks. And manage users means that the user can add and delete other users or even change permissions. But it does not include the ability to edit, collaborate, or even read and analyze. If you want someone to be able to do everything, then choose Manage Users and Edit. Then if you want to automatically notify the user that you added their account, click the Notify this user by email box. And finally, click the Add button. I'm going to turn that one off, and I will click the Add button. Now, next time this user logs into Google Analytics, the view of your site becomes an available selection for him or her. If the day ever comes that you wish to change or remove permissions for someone, you can come back to User Management and click the drop-down button in the View Permissions column. You can remove the permissions you no longer wish to assign, or remove all the permissions to delete access. See, here it says none. And then if I click Save, that account goes away. That's it. Oh, and if you want to return to your usual view of analytics from here, you just click the reporting menu item. Well, that was pretty easy, wasn't it? Following this process, you can assign and reassign access to your analytics data to any number of people. If I were working for you as a consultant, I would want this access as well, and you would be able to provide it without risking access to anything else. Be sure to subscribe to my webpage or the YouTube channel so that you're notified when new posts are published. Of course, if you enjoyed this post, please like it or share it on your favorite social platform. And if you're watching this somewhere other than on my website, then please visit upatdawn.biz, where you will find more information, including the full transcript of this video. And have a great day.